I'm not as afraid of bugs as I once was.
Oh my God, what is that?
I used to be like absolutely terrified of them.
The name of this class is Entomology with Dr. Thomas, and what we do is we go out, we collect bugs, we learn about different bug orders, and then we do different projects with them.
We dive into the different, not species, but different classes and different orders of bugs, and we just look more into what makes them unique.
I read it, I'm like, okay, this class sounds cool. I didn't know how in detail and how on hands with bugs we would be, so that was definitely different for me.
I've always been interested in biological things and a lot of insects, animals, mammals, but I'm not too well versed on the insect part, so I wanted to get more information on that, and it seemed like a fun class to do.
It's very hands-on compared to everything else. At the beginning of the semester, we went out and we were collecting bugs, so we were provided butterfly nets and jars and everything, and then we would slowly start to pin them as we went through the semester, and then that was a part of our grade that we then submitted a project with. It makes it really different.
Being able to get off of campus and still learn is an amazing experience because it's kind of getting out somewhere you're a little uncomfortable with and things you're a little unknowledgeable about. So you're still comfortable while stepping into those bounds of unknown.
We had like different type of ID testing, which was something that I never had to do before. So I had to really get used to like, okay, I have to make a Quizlet and I have to study these pictures and I have to study the name and what it means. So that was definitely different for me.
We were given the options to keep our collections if we wanted to. I kept mine and I bought like a fancy box for it and everything, and it's displayed in my room.
Dr. Shelley Thomas is a very passionate professor, and I think that's really important for courses like this because she loves the work she does, she loves what she teaches about, and therefore she wants us to learn and love it. So it's not just sitting down, getting through the coursework because we have to get through a certain amount of stuff. It's getting down, sitting with us, looking through things, really learning about the interesting parts of it because she loves doing what she does.
It kind of amazes me how much she remembers and can like talk to you about insects. Her range of knowledge is just so impressive, and then her just teaching all of this material, I actually learned a lot from it, is impressive, and I love this course and I would recommend it to anybody.
I would recommend this course for another student because it is fascinating.
It's something that got me out of my own comfort zone. It's a lot of information and a lot of learning, but it covers a lot and I feel like I've gained a lot from it.
I'm not as afraid of bugs as I once was. I used to be like absolutely terrified of them, but now I feel like I'm more comfortable. I can catch them if I need to and take them outside my house, so that's a skill that I have learned.
It's a really important class to me because it really lets you understand that there are so many things that you could be looking into and so many different facets of everything that you can go into. It really just opens your mind.
You definitely push yourself throughout the semester, and it's just a good atmosphere to be in. I feel like I learned a lot, and anybody else would do a great job learning in this class too.